In this video, I'll be showing you how to do back loop only crochet. I really like the look of this. It gives it a great texture and it's simple to do. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm just going to get a foundation row going, approximately 15 to 20 stitches here. Then I'm going to do a row of single crochet because we need a foundation first before we can start working in the back loop. If you're new to crochet and need to learn how to do a single crochet, I'll link a video up here for you to check out. Now that I've got my foundation row of single crochets, I'm going to chain one and then flip over my work and start working in the back loops. Let me grab my pin here. So as you can see, here is our V, which is the top of the single crochet stitch in our foundation row. Here's the front loop and here's the back loop. So we want to work in this back loop only. So to do that, we're going to insert our hook just into the back loop. I'm going to grab the yarn from behind. We're going to pull it through, yarn over, and then pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. And as I always say, this becomes easier with practice, but also this becomes easier as you get more rows in, and then those back loops just kind of start popping out for you the more that you go as well. And I'm going to do a couple rows of this so that you can see the texture that the back loop only crochet gives your project. When you get to the end of the row, I go into both loops there and then chain my one. So on the ends, you won't be doing the back loop. As you can see here, just by simply working in the back loops, we've brought a lot of texture to this swatch of crocheted yarn. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button to help me to be able to continue to bring you instructional videos.